Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be how to fill in the eyebrows featuring Lakme's Kkk collection. So this is I've done my makeup without the eyebrows, so I have not touched my eyebrows now. So I'm going to fill it using Lakme's Kkk Brow Definer, and I'm going to give you a small review of this product. It comes in this black and gold packaging, and it is just like any other pencil. It has got a luxurious packaging, and the price of the product is ₹800. And the shade, there are two shades, graphite and espresso. Graphite is slightly darker than espresso, so I have picked espresso shade. So as that, I'll get in case I need more intensity, I can just build up, or I can go with this milder look. So it has got spoolie, so that is one more advantage of this. And it is decently pigmented product. That is, for any brow product, it should be mediumly pigmented, not highly pigmented. So it does the job very easily. And there's one more pro called, it is easily available, and it is travel friendly too. So these are some pros of this product. And the main con is that it is sharpening type, so that's quite annoying, and the price is slightly higher. It is 800 rupees for a brow definer, is definitely higher. So before proceeding, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm starting off with brushing my eyebrows using the spoolie, which is in the other end, and that is a good thing for eyebrow product. So just make sure you brush it well. So here my eyebrows are slightly closer, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to start leaving the front part. If you have a wider eyebrow gap, you can just start from the right away from the starting. So just I'm drawing the line, outlining the eyebrows. So make sure you just go with your actual brow. Do not just overdraw or underdraw. So it is better to just follow the guideline of your eyebrows. So I'm just doing the same thing to the lower eyebrows and then just filling it. So that's it. So you're going to fill in the sparse areas. It doesn't mean that everybody has to have a same type of eyebrows and spaces. So you can do it according to your eyebrow shape and eyebrow thing. If it is sparse, you have to just make sure that you're going to apply it well. And if you have a very thicker eyebrows, just fill in the sparse gap whichever is left out, and then comb the eyebrows to spread the product across your full eyebrows. So this is a quick tip, and you can just fill it eyebrows within just a couple of minutes. You can do it. So now look at the difference between both the eyebrows. So this is the power of filling your eyebrows. See how evidently and gorgeously looking with the eyebrows. So if you're not going to do your eyebrows, your makeup is incomplete, I would say. So make sure you fill in the eyebrow right. This is a quick video. So I hope you like this video. If it did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up. Bye.